To initiate this drill, step into the band with both feet together and flat on the floor. With hands a little less than shoulder width apart, press the band up into the air with arms straight. With the band on the sides of your body, focus on aligning your body in a nice straight line. Be sure to squeeze your entire body and press your hands up towards the ceiling as hard as you can. Even if you feel that you're pushing as much as you can, chances are that you can still push a bit more. Pull your belly in as you squeeze your butt so that your chest and hips don't come forward. The purpose of this drill is to strengthen your shoulder girdle and improve scapular elevation for when you're upside down. In the A-frame position, push down and away from the floor. Then let yourself come out of the position by pulling your shoulders towards your hips. Be sure to breathe throughout the movement, keeping your arms completely locked out. The hollow body hold is a good drill to help strengthen the core and bring better awareness to the position we ultimately want to have in the full handstand. In the beginning stages of this drill, tuck your knees in with arms to your sides, working towards being able to completely open up your body so that your legs and arms are pushing in opposite directions, mimicking the handstand. The key point for the hollow body position is to always have your lower back touching the floor while pulling your belly inward. If at any point your lower back has floated up off of the floor, go back to an easier version. The high frogger is not only a good drill to help strengthen the arms and core, it is also good in building control and getting comfortable while being inverted. From a squat position, place your hands on the floor and with arms completely locked out, jump your butt up into the air with legs bent. At no time should you bend your arms. Focus on pushing down and through the floor while taking your gaze between your hands. This will help with control and strengthen your arms and core for the entry into the handstand. In the beginning, use small jumps, gradually working to be able to take your butt up higher into the air with control.